Hey, make it look like one of them Napoleon soldier. Fix that.
Only two. You have a man, but him hardly check for you. You're not the same, not deserve you. Baby, try my love, girl. Won't you try my love? Try my love. Try.
Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another vlog. I am excited today because today is the day that you guys get to meet Amoura. Yeah. So I wanted to make sure that I blessed her first before I Alright, so here's the thing, right? Like me and my husband was thinking, and I was like, babe, you know, say in a way we kind of put her up on the media already still. And I must say, you know, the same thing me I think though. It's just that we're not show our face. And I'm like, word. Yeah. So we got her christened. And yeah, it's her time for you guys to meet her. So what I'm gonna do is, she's awake right now, so I'm gonna do it in the morning, but I'm gonna post her christening vlog first. So my sorry phone will still have to wait a little bit longer because the christening vlog I gonna post today. So more than likely me do her, or me can just do our meet and greet now, and then tomorrow me post our christening. But whichever way me do it, she christen already. Yeah. So I don't know, I think I'm gonna clean up at y'all now. The thing is, I want you guys to see her when her eyes are open. So you know how that go. You know how that go. So yeah, so just give me a few, let me go fresh up. Oh my God, bless my baby. Bless my sugar. Bless you, bless you. Bless you, bless you, bless you, bless you. Alright, so I'll be back. Hey guys! So I told y'all earlier on that, oh my God. So here's the thing, Amoura's crying. Amoura wants her breast. Guys, she go sleep. I mean, they want her sleep. I'm not gonna be one of them mothers there. But when my baby a ball, me free to take out my breast and feed my baby. That's not gonna be me. Me going to take out my breast. And me go feed my baby.
Jiggle and see if that is it.
Ouch. It hurts. Come on, baby. Are you my guys that Jelani me away pan from morning, you know? Ouch. So yeah.
Fix this code in my car.
So you're skin out pan the bed and I go on over.
Because I'm ugly. Baby, pretend.
Jordan, want to you, what want to your brother?
Hey, you know, long I don't come for my camera. I need to go and do this here, you know. I need to go and do this here.
What you want to tell
excited.
them?
I'm excited.
Ouch, yeah, because I'm back.
I'm excited to see her too.
Oh, brother. Alright, talk to Jelani, talk to them.
Like say, oh, welcome back, people. No long time, no soon. Long time, who no see me too. I'm still there. I'm just go and do the right thing in the shadows, you know. Guess what? We'll bring baby Amoura to you guys. Yes. We'll bring her for sure now. Yes. Me charm, you know, me look up preps, you know, me look up price position, you know what I mean? Me look up chunky, wonky, you know what I mean? Yeah, boy, me look up smoke. Yeah, be a pretty word, them me find, you know.
What, them already a pretty word?
Yeah.
Anyways, guys, so Amoura, she don't get buckle, she get breast.
Pretty.
But Jelani, guys, I want to comment in the comment section.
I don't want nobody me born of foolishness.
And tell Jelani, say when the express milk is the same breast milk.
But that is not the same.
It's the same breast milk. It's just that you give
I don't want nobody send me. No.
Alright, guys, so that is the debate with me and Jelani. But we can't stop her because
baby, forget titty. Raw titty. God, my mind, when God have pitney from back in the days, we never have no expression and a middle table for me, so we never have no buckle, we push it in a pitney mouth and it pitney grow up and can yam with them
You
mouth.
have titty?
Ladies, them put the teeth in the baby them mouth until the baby them reach out 3, 4, 5 when they carry it. Me stop success to when I'm 13. So me can tell you.
Yeah, and look by you. Look by you. You're still mad, got nothing, you're not fat. You're not
But I'm healthy though, I'm strong. I'm a strong, skinny nigga. Meds that shit. You know what I mean? You know what I see, baby?
Wait, no. Wait, you have to get like a time.
I know. Me a jar them out. Me nah make you see no baby. Prank me a prank on you. Me nah see no baby. Chicken I get trick.
So guys, we're gonna insert her photo when she was just born in the video so that you guys can see it. And we're gonna I don't know if I have no other clippings or whatever, but
we ain't got no clippings. We're gonna make some for you today.
May I just insert in the video when she just born in there. And right now she has suck her breasts. Guys, she has a lot of hair.
Yeah. She come like them Peruvian breed there, no?
She have whole heap of hair, whole heap. And we just are sexy phone to see me could show now. So we put her in a one heart.
Not yet.
Her blows and her tights.
Me know them are excited. Now go and make suspension. Walk on the skin. How did you? Suspense.
Oh. Fix my king hat. Show them in here.
Look at that.
Show them in here. No be able to stick off in here. So see our hair, the guys.
Come my charmer. Whoops.
Yo, baby belch.
Whoops. Hey, I make you look like one of them Napoleon soldier. Fix that.
You want breast?
I love your titty too much, man.
Hey, that me I say.
So yeah. Alright, my baby, come.
So guys, we're about to show you guys her. Alright, babe. Yeah, use the back camera now.
I'm the flippy.
You can pause, turn it, pause and then flip it. Turn along with her tongue. Come show her up, babe.
That's my baby.
Amoura, why you not wake up? Where you gonna sleep for now?
Show them your pretty dimples.
Show them your dimples.
Sharp, oh she want to sleep. Why you want to sleep now? You up from morning.
That me I say as me beat her off. Guys, me beat her off so you can see her. Anna.
Hey, mama.
You get her dimples.
How you doing?
You get her dimples just now. Guys, she wants her breast. We have to just do it quick and fast because she want me finish feed her. We want to see how we at her up in our good clothes phone. So we can see how girls come out.
If you like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the post notification bell. Spam up the comment section. Yeah.
She want to go sleep. Let's see her.
Yeah, man. Hot girl road.
So she clean, she just get
comfortable and want to sleep.
so.
Thanks be to
She
God.
got miserable. Cover your titty, July. Your titty nipple.
Don't look.
You made people enough to look. So guys, that's basically it. Whatever videos we have of her, we're gonna put them in the vlog.
Yeah. We're gonna attach everything, put it together. Yeah, have a baby shenanigans. Big up on a nice clean self. Remember to check you out on TikTok.
Guys, she not use her thing. What you call it?
Check me out on the TikTok.
What bed name this so? She not use her bed.
She don't want a crib bed. Hot girl this.
She want to sleep on free bed.
Hot girl alone.
Yup, yes sir.
Yup, scoop. Yup.
So that is basically it for Amoura's face reveal, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. And yeah, like we see Amoura. This is the third time we are see Amoura. Who don't understand, but this is the third time we are see Amoura. Yeah. We see her in a Ari, we see her in a Aisha, no she. They just look the same.
They get a boy and they're too pretty. I must say that's why I got not giving them wipe it.
Why?
And them are too pretty.
More pretty. Why handsome, Jelani? Why not pretty?
I'm not pretty. Me say I'm not pretty, I'm pretty.
No, but I said him I go come in now pregnant back, so no, but I said him I go you try to cut the talk out to your head.
Why?
Guys, I ain't going back down this road. Jelani got up the camera now.
I'm gonna ride till I can't no more. Peace.
Tari, me not Tari. She is on her breast, as I told you guys, she was asleep. She lay on her breast. She kind of stopped sucking now, which means that she probably had enough. So she go sleep. But yeah, I'm gonna try this breast thing where I give her a breast for like however long I can give her a breast for. Because I've been pumping out like 9 ounces per day, different from what she's drinking. So y'all know that that's a whole lot of milk. 9 ounces per day, different from what she had drink. Come on, you cannot get no better than that. So yes, when she drop asleep now, whole day, she's gonna be out for the whole day. Okay, period. So she go sleep now, guys. I really wish when I was doing the reveal that you guys could see her when her eyes were open, but she's not open the eyes them. I'm can't do no better right now, but just leave her. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the post notification bell. Remember to check out my description box for all the links to my socials. Remember that we do TikTok live every single day. Remember that when you start watching the vlog, the first thing that I want you guys to do, thank you so very much, is to like the video. Don't be watching the videos and not liking the videos. When you like the videos, it pushes the videos for other people to see it. So please like the video. Yeah. Wait, the more let me fix you. Oh, you're good, man. You're good. So, yes, sir. Love you guys. Big up on a nice clean self, and I am outie.
Baby, try